Today, we are taking a practical look at how to back up Windows 11 before a failure or reinstallation. Goal: prepare a Windows 11 PC so that a drive failure, reset, or clean installation does not become a data loss event. A useful backup is more than copying documents once. You need to know what is protected, where application-specific data lives, how cloud synchronization differs from backup, and how you will restore the data on another Windows installation. List the folders and application data you cannot recreate. Copy important files to an independent drive or trusted backup destination. Confirm cloud-synced folders have actually finished uploading. Save BitLocker recovery information outside the PC. Export browser, password manager, email, SSH, VPN, and application data where required. Open random files from the backup to prove that it is readable. Disconnect or protect the backup before a clean installation. Expected result: you can reinstall or replace the PC and restore the files, credentials, and configuration that matter without depending on the failing system drive. An external drive, NAS, or reputable cloud backup destination with enough capacity. Your account credentials and recovery methods. Enough time for the first complete copy and a restore test. A list of programs that store data outside Documents desktop pictures. Check desktop, documents, pictures, videos, downloads, project folders, and any data stored on additional drives. Then identify application-specific locations. Local mail archives, browser profiles that are not synced, password manager vault exports when appropriate, accounting data, virtual machines, game saves, SSH keys, certificates, VPN profiles, and custom scripts. The following read-only PowerShell command measures the number and total size of files in a documents folder. Run it without administrator rights. Replace c \users \voter nom \documents with your real path. The placeholder means your name. The output helps you estimate destination capacity and transfer time. It does not verify file integrity and does not create a backup by itself. Nothing is modified, so there is no rollback. OneDrive and other sync services are useful because they keep copies of selected folders online, but synchronization can also propagate deletions or unwanted changes. Check the provider's version history and retention features, and keep an independent copy of irreplaceable data when possible. A file that shows only as an online placeholder may not be available offline during recovery. If device encryption or BitLocker is active, ensure the recovery key is stored somewhere you can access without the PC. Recovery or firmware changes can trigger a key prompt. Do not store the only copy of the recovery key on the encrypted drive it unlocks. A backup that has never been restored is an assumption. Pick files from different folders and open them directly from the backup destination. For databases or special application formats, verify that the corresponding application can open the copied data or follow the vendor's export-restore procedure. Disconnect external backup drives before choosing partitions in Windows Setup. Write down the Windows Edition and major application licenses. Save network and VPN settings that are not centrally managed. Keep a second copy of truly irreplaceable small files when practical. Update Windows and essential drivers first. Restore files to the correct user folders. Reconnect sync services carefully and confirm which direction they will synchronize. Restore application-specific data using the vendor's procedure. Re-enable the normal backup schedule. The destination is readable from another account or device if appropriate. Random documents, photos, archives, and project files open successfully. CloudSync reports completion with no pending errors. BitLocker recovery information is accessible independently. You know how to restore at least the most important application data. External drive is smaller than expected. Measure the source and exclude only data you can truly recreate. Copy reports locked files. Close the application using them or use that application's export backup feature. Cloud folder is not fully local. Verify online status and download required files before relying on an offline copy. Backup drive stays permanently connected. Ransomware or accidental deletion may affect it. Keep an offline or versioned copy for important data. Encrypt backup drives that contain sensitive personal or business information. It may cover synchronized folders, but it does not automatically represent every application database, local file, or independent offline backup. Document what each backup contains instead of assuming one green icon covers everything. Make a fresh backup, verify several files from another device, export app-specific data, and keep the installer recovery credentials available. During an outage or account compromise, you may not be able to open the notes stored on the affected PC. The key principle: the quality of a backup is measured by whether you can restore what matters, not by whether a copy process reported completed. For more details, read the complete article on the blog.